Hi guys.
Hi guys.
And welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yay!
I'm Kisa and this is Kisa Mini.
Yeah.
We're going to open our advent calendar to day 5. We're a little behind, but we're going to go ahead and open it to day 5.
Yeah. Where's our little baby?
So let's see what's in the first one.
I want to do it. I'll see what's in there.
Okay.
I want to see what's in there.
You got to leave it over here so we can see it. Pull it out. What is it? Ooh, it's a circle.
It's a cookie cutter.
Look at that.
Not right here.
Okay, the second one. This one, number 2.
Okay.
You got it?
How may I take it out?
Yeah, go ahead. Pull it out. What's in there?
It's a little bit.
Need help?
I can.
Okay, let me see.
No, I can do it.
Let me see.
It's a Christmas tree.
Okay, well, you have to see it. There you go. It's a Christmas tree. That. How cool is that?
No.
Okay, I pull it day 3 now.
I want to do 3.
And 3 is over here.
What's this
And
one?
this is 3. 3 is right here.
I can take. I want to see what's in there.
Okay, go ahead. See? Okay. So Kisa Mini got a... Here, let me show them. Kisa Mini got presents.
Yeah.
Real presents.
That's my turn.
Okay, so now for day 4. Need help?
Yeah. Kissing. I can do it. Now let me see what's in there. Little.
His scissors.
Yeah. Now it's time for 5.
And number 5 is the last one for today. Because today is the 5th. Go ahead, pull it out.
I want to do the cute little doggy. I can do it.
Need help? And it's a train. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. And we'll be opening more of our advent calendar tomorrow. If you liked our video, give it a
Thumbs up.
If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and like button. Kisa Mini and Kisa out. Till next time. Bye, guys.